Welcome. If you're looking to give your Facebook page a fresh new look and make your browsing experience easier on the eyes, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable dark mode on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head straight to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see a list of all the pages you manage. Select the page you want to update by clicking directly on its profile photo. This will take you to your page's main dashboard. Next, it's time to dive into the settings. On your page, look for the menu and find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This will open up the main settings area for your page. Once you're in the settings, look to the left-hand side menu and find the Accessibility section. Click on Accessibility and then select Display. Here, you'll see the option for dark mode. To turn on dark mode, simply choose the On option. Instantly, your Facebook page will switch to a sleek, dark theme that's not only stylish, but also much easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on your Facebook page using your PC. This updated process makes it quick and simple to switch between light and dark themes, so you can customize your Facebook experience to match your style and comfort. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might want to try dark mode too. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Facebook look.